Welcome back to Doll Star Diecast. Got a Friday night Johnny Lightning show. Let's check it. Alright, so yeah, I had these in a box and no need for me to keep this on the cards, so I figure I better open it up and show you guys. It's the 1990 Corvette ZR1 and the 1954 Corvette Nomad. And here's the back of the card. Looks like a 1996 date there. Let's open it. Okay, here they are. Let's look at the 95 Corvette first. Hmm. 1996 casting release date on this, it looks like. And the hood opens. Doesn't stay open, but plastic tires. Cool deco on the back. Interior looks good. Lots of detail on the dash. Seats are cool. Pretty sweet. And then the Corvette Nomad. I'm not sure if this was a real car or not, but probably could have been. Again, plastic tires. Interior looks okay. There's the Corvettes. And next, I got this one. Got it for 15 bucks a long time ago. I think it's a looks like a I think it's a 2001, yeah. 2001 card. And it's the Green Hornet. Let's open it. Alright, here's the Green Hornet. This thing looks sweet. I remember when I was a kid, I used to watch this show, and Bruce Lee was Kato. And Kato was the man. Let's take a closer look. Cool green paint. Cool, it says Green Hornet on it. Yeah, you gotta try not to touch this one because ooh, the green lights. And we better light up the interior. It looks like a limo or something. Pretty sweet. Cool paint. There's the Green Hornet. Alright, up next, check out the GTO. Save the green Bel Air for last. This is the 1967 Pontiac GTO. In 1967, GM banned the use of multi-carbs except on the Corvette, making the tri-powered intake unavailable on this GTO. And this is version B, release 2. I think I have the other version. Let's open it. Alright, here's the GTO. I take what the car was in and stick that in here. And then you can put the car in there. And then I take one of these things, put it over that before I close it. Keep it protected. Let's check it. I think the other version was gold. Steering wheel looks cool. Door panels are alright. Back seats okay. Front seat's good. Not a lot of detail on the dash though. Lots of detail on the side. Cool rims and tires. Ooh, the front deco looks good. There's the motor. Nice detailed motor. GTO. Cool license plate. There it is. And the last one's going to be this one. The 1955 Chevy 210. And the other color was yellow. The Chevy 210 had 6 body styles, a 2-door or a 4-door sedan, a club or a sport coupe, or a 2-door or 4-door station wagon. And this is custom Alpine green metallic. Let's open it. Okay, here's the 1955 Chevy 210. Let's take a closer look. Rubber tires. A little lumpy. $55. Looks like a California plate. Ooh, the dash looks sweet. Steering wheel is awesome. That looks cool. Really cool dash. Door panels and front seat are right. Super cool. I think the hood opens too. Come on, babe. Not very much. Okay, I might put a light on it. Looks cool. That's a sweet one. Alright, that's my Friday night Johnny Lightning. Let's do a little close-up. Okay, here they are. Let's take a closer look. And this is the 95 Corvette ZR1. And the Corvette Nomad. And the Green Hornet. That's a sweet one right there. And the Chevy, 1955 Chevy 210 with the 10. And the GTO. Pretty sweet. And that's my show for tonight. Thank you for watching. And until next time, this is Dollstar Diecast. And we're out for now.